Hello everyone! Today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare apple crumble cake, which is so yummy and delicious. So I'm going to show you the video in 3 parts. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the apples. Here I have 3 apples. I'm using gala apple. I have 3 apples that washed, peeled, cored and sliced. So I'm going to add on them 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can use cider vinegar, or I'm using white vinegar. And I'm going to add on them half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, I'm gonna mix them now and leave them aside. So this is the first step. Okay, mix them. Here we go. So this is the first part or first step. I'm gonna leave those aside and show you the second step. Okay, for the second step, I'm gonna add, here I have all-purpose flour. I'm going to add on them brown sugar, and I'm gonna add white sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. So flour, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and final step, I'm going to add butter, melted butter. Okay, so the butter is melted and cooled. Shouldn't be very hot. So okay, that's what we want. Perfect. Okay, so leave this aside, and final part, or the third part, which is the bottom layer, we are going to add all the dry ingredients. By the way, I'm going to list for you down in the description box the full recipe with the measurements, with the ingredients. Please check it, because I keep receiving, can we have the recipe? And most of my new videos, I always keep for you the recipe down. Here I have baking powder. Okay, so all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, mix them very good. And add a little bit of salt. Okay. Now what I'm going to add, oh sorry, I just forgot the sugar as well. So sugar, flour, cinnamon powder, baking powder and baking soda, a little bit of salt. You have to mix all the dry ingredients all together. And I'm going to add half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, alright, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Now we have to mix the ingredients very good. Okay, so that's what we want. As you can see, the butter is very light, it's not very thick. Perfect. Okay. Here I prepared a tin. I have here baking paper at the bottom. So first I'm going to add the first layer, the butter. Add it at the bottom of the tin. And second step we are going to add the apples. Okay, so try your best to add the apples. They shouldn't be in order, but just put them on the butter everywhere, like so. Okay, so after we added the apples, now I'm going to add the crumble on the top and cover the cake. Wow, look at this beautiful cake. So now everything is ready. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 180 Celsius and cook it between 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll see you after that. Please make sure that you preheated your oven before putting the cake tin 5 minutes. See you. This is the cake. It took 40 minutes exactly in the oven, not 35 and not 30. It's 40 minutes exactly, and I let it to cool down for about half an hour. And now I'm going to take it off the tray. Oh wow. Okay. And now let me show you the inside, how it looks like. Wow. Woohoo. Look at this beautiful cake. Look at the spongy. Wow. Crust from outside and so soft from inside. Absolutely delicious. It's so yummy, so delicious, and looks so beautiful as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the recipe. I'm gonna list it down for you in the description box. Check it if you like, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your like and comment. Stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. See you soon. Bye.